Powerful Excel function we'll be looking at is Sumif function. Sumif function is used for group analysis. It is one of the most powerful Excel functions, and this one is used for group analysis. So for instance, let's say we want to add up all the total of the female, okay, the female income. We want to add up the total of the female income. We'll use the Sumif function. Now, just like the same syntax, you begin with an equal to sign, then you call the function. So we are looking for Sumif. Sumif begins with the range. So we have to select the range that we want to do the group analysis from. So it is on column B. All right, so we highlight the whole range. When you are done, then you bring a comma, space. Criteria is female, so then you bring a comma, space. Then you select the sum range. So the sum range is the column that you want to do your summation in, that you want to put together or group them together. So our sum range is the income. So we select the income column this way. When you are done, you close the parenthesis, then you enter. So you realize that our total female income is 1,590. All right, so let's try another Sumif function. Let's say we want to add up the totality of all the rich and the poor people over here. Okay, so the rich person and the poor person, we want to add up the total rich people amount and the total poor people amount. So let's begin first with the poor people amount. So the poor amount this way. Now we are using the Sumif function. So we begin with syntax Sumif. The range is the column that you want to select the specific group from. So it is this L column. Then you bring a comma and space. Then you indicate the criteria. Now our criteria is the poor person. Okay. We type the poor person. Poor person. Then we close the quotation mark, we bring a space, then the sum range. So the sum range is actually this place, so we select our sum range this way. When you are done, you close your parenthesis, then equal to. So the rich amounts, we use same Sumif. The range is still this range, comma, the criteria is rich person. We close, it's a comma, then it selects the sum range. The sum range is this column M. You are done, you close, you enter. So the amount is 3,100. So this is how we calculate for the Sumif function.